Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to today's math lesson. Before we begin, I'd like you to be sure that you have your math book for lesson 4 and a pencil and some connecting cubes, all right? And a whiteboard so that you can write some answers down on your math warm-up problems. Okay, so if you need to go get that, do that now, pause, and come back. All right, so today we're doing a problem-solving strategy called Guess and Check and Revise. Okay, and we are working on our essential questions. How do I determine length and time? All right, so let's look at our first problem of the day, math warm-up. They want you to write a number sentence to solve it. And before you do, I will read it to you. Dee ate 7 blueberries. She got up to get more, but decided that she was not hungry. She ate none. How many blueberries did she eat in all? She ate 7, got up but decided she wasn't hungry, so she ate none. How many in all? Pause and write your math sentence to solve. Okay, so here's your solution. She had 7, ate those, but she didn't get any more. When she got up, she decided she wasn't hungry, so she only ate 7 blueberries in all. All right, let's look at our practice question here. Which number tells about how many paper clips in a row will be as long as the pencil? All right, so you can pause it, check it, and write down your answer. Okay, so remember we talked yesterday and the day before about different units of measure, okay, non-standard. So this would be another non-standard because you're using paper clips. Let's check the answer. There were 6 here, about. And remember, we say about because we know it is not exact, okay? All right, now we are going to look. I would like you to turn to your math book, and the page number for that is, let's move this out of the way. The page number for that is page 581, okay? And this is where you will also use your connecting cubes. So notice here that they are talking about guess, check, and revise. And here again, they've used underline what you know, circle what you need to find out. So the carrot is less than 10 cubes long. It is more than 2 cubes long. About how many cubes long is the carrot? So we know it's less than 10, but more than 2. Okay, and they've circled and underlined. So that means that this carrot can only be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 cubes long. That's what that means. When it's less than 10, it does not include the 10, and when it is more than 2, it does not include the 2. All right, so further down, how can I solve the problem? All right, so here they've done a guess, okay, and a guess is okay. It's just like predictions, same thing with guessing in math. If it's wrong, that's not a problem. You come up with a new one, okay? But here, this was guessed to be about 4, and then measured 5, okay? And is that a reasonable answer? Well, yeah, because it's, it's within the number they told you that it could be. Okay, so let's go to our next page. You can turn it. All right, here we go. All right, so on this page, I like to first start with guesses. They want to guess how many cubes long is the object. So let's look at this. Look at the corn on the cob. All right, and guess. Don't put any cubes there. Guess about how many you think it is, and write the number now. Okay, look at the picture of the broccoli, the floret here. Guess about how long this is, how many cubes. Write it here. And now for number 3, guess how long this celery is. Okay, now you did your guessing. Pause the video, go back, measure how many cubes, and print your answer. Don't change your guess, okay? It's okay if your guess is not the same as what you actually measure, all right? So pause now, measure it, and come back to check your answer. Okay, so you're all done? Let's look. All right, so this ear of corn measured about 7 cubes. And the floret for the broccoli measured about 3 cubes. And down here, the celery about 6. Okay. All right. So here you get to choose a strategy. We're doing guess, check, and revise. Okay, the pea pod is more than 1 cube long. It is less than 4 cubes long. All right, about how many cubes long is the pea pod? Pause and measure now. Okay, we're going to check the page after we're done the whole page. All right, a watermelon grows 1 cube longer each day. On Monday, it was 6 cubes long. How many cubes long will the watermelon be on Wednesday? Now remember, it grows 1 cube longer each day. So if it was 6 on Monday and it grows 1 more, what's the answer? And then it grows 1 more than Tuesday, what's the answer? And then how many cubes long? About, put it here. I will tell you that this number and this number should be the same. All right, and the last one. Sergio picks a bean that is 5 cubes long. Perla picks a bean that is 2 cubes long. How much longer is the bean that Sergio picked? All right, pause again to solve it. Okay, let's go and check our answers. All right, this pea pod is about 2 cubes long. Here's our chart. 6, it grew 1 more, so it was 7. It grew 1 more on Wednesday, so it's 8. About 8 cubes long. And the last one, 3. You know how we got that answer? Tell the adult with you how you got that answer, or say it out loud right now. That's right. 5 cubes minus 2 cubes equals 3 cubes. Good job. All right. And let's look here. Okay. So that is, wow, that is we're done. It's quicker than I thought. I knew I was coming to the end soon. All right. So boys and girls, as extra practice, if you're having fun with that, you can go ahead and do the homework page as practice. Now notice here they use pennies. Okay, so that's another non-standard way of measuring. All right, so great job. And maybe pick one item that you use cubes to measure. All right, because you can measure 20, up to 20. You could do longer too. We can talk about how you can figure out past 20 cubes long, and pick something in your house that you'd like to measure and share with us how many cubes long it is. Okay, so great job as always, friends, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.